Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got a bit of a different video today. We are at Theale Station and we are waiting for a steam train, and the steam train is called the Bahamas and it should be stopping here for a refill of water, which I've seen once before, and it was actually really interesting because I didn't know that they filled up from fire engines. So hope you enjoy. So here is the fire engine that's going to be filling up the engine with the water. The engine we're waiting for today is engine number 45596 and she is called the Bahamas. She is a Jubilee Class 5596 and was built in 1934 at the North British Locomotive Company in Glasgow for the London, Midland and Scottish Railways. In 1961, the Bahamas took part in a trial to modify and improve the performance and extend the service life of steam locomotives. This enabled a 30% increase in the boiler's steaming capacity and enabled her to use a poorer quality of coal. By 1967, British Rail had agreed the sale of the Bahamas to a scrap merchant in Hull. So here is this beautiful steam train, the Bahamas. And sorry for the noise, obviously it's a steam train so it's going to be really noisy, and in a moment they're going to be filling it up with water so it can do the rest of its journey back to Paddington. Several members of the public started the Bahamas Locomotive Society and clubbed together to save the Bahamas from scrap. This was in 1967, and since then the engine has been in and out of service and has quite an interesting history. This has included returning to mainline railway for excursions and trips, occasional visits to other heritage railways, static displays at locations and museums, and also some time spent in storage. I will include some more information and some links in the description if anyone's interested in learning more.
Why not, Laura?